So if it comes to here, as we know in the last class, we have studied the pressure exerted by solids and what is the relation between pressure and force and as well as pressure and area. So now in last class, we have been derived the equations for pressure exerted by solids. That is what the pressure exerted by solids, P is equals to what, guys? Force by area. This force only we used to call it as what? Thrust by area. Is it yes or no? This is what we have been done. So from this we can say pressure is directly proportional to thrust, and same way pressure is inversely proportional to what, guys? Area. We have been studying that. So if area increases, pressure is decreasing. If pressure is increasing, area is decreasing. Same way, pressure increases, force is also increases. If pressure is decreases, force is also decreases. This is what we have studied. So both are here directly proportional to each other, and this one is inversely proportional to each other. Is it yes, guys? Respond. So now also we have start. So the units of the SI unit of pressure is equals to, what is the SI unit of pressure? Pascals. What is that? Pascals, which we used to represent with a capital P and small a. So on last class I have told you, so Pascal is equals to what is the unit, guys? 1 Pascal is
Newton divided by
Newton
1.
per 1 square meter. Is it yes or no? This is what. So whenever you are seeing 1 Pascal, so you people can write 1 Newton per square meter. This is what the unit of pressure. So pressure we used to measure in pascals, and 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton per 1 square meter. So not only this one, we are having even more number of units of pressure. So we can measure the pressure based upon understanding atmosphere, ATMs we can measure, bars we can measure, understanding pascals, kilopascals, understand like that. So many units are there for pressure, understanding. So that is what we can we'll study all the things in later or higher classes. So now in our today's class, if you take, we are going to study the next concept is, before going to study the pressure, fluid pressure, we want to study a few things. That is what applications of pressure. What is that? Applications of pressure. See, even other units, if you want, you can note it down. Bars, understanding, ATMs, torque, these all the units of pressure only, understanding. So even we can say, for example, if you take 1 Pascal is equals to, understanding, 1 bar is equals to 10 power 5 pascals. Like that, we have a relations. That is all we will study. Whenever the situation needs, I will say. So just you have to remember now present, what is the unit of pressure? Pressure unit is pascals. Understand? So 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton per, what, guys? 1 Newton per
meter. 1 square meter.
That is what you have to remember it. Understand? So if you want CGS unit also you can write. So what is the CGS unit of force? KGF. Kilogram force, yes, dyne also kgf, and this one is square centimeter. This is what the CGS unit of pressure, kgf per centimeter square. Now I am saying you, as I said, always the units should be what, Elmukil? Either all should be in SI unit, all must be in CGS unit. Is it yes or no? Either they must be in SI unit or must be in CGS unit. But pressure alone we can give exemption. What I'm saying? Pressure alone, we can give what, guys? We can give excuse. So why means, observe very carefully. If extremely large force is acting on extremely small area, then we can write it is Newton per square centimeter also. Do you understand, everybody, what I'm saying? It is wrong. Actually, the other units and all, other physical quantities and all, if you are writing like this, it is wrong. Do you understand, everybody? But in the pressure alone, we can give the excuse of this one. We can mix CGS and SI units. That is also when it is extremely large. Are you understanding? When extremely large force is acting on extremely small area. Are you clear, everyone? What I'm saying? Understand, Adarshan?
Yes, sir.
That is okay, but it will not come. Very rarely only it will come for you people. So you have to remember only one thing. What is that? What is the unit of pressure? pascals, and 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton per 1 square meter.
Square meter.
Okay, guys, that is what you have to remember it. Now, so in our today's class, first, before going to study the fluid pressures, where we want to understanding pressure in fluids. So now we will study what is the applications of the pressure. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? So please keep heading applications of pressure. Shall we start, guys, now? Now, so let us start with the first one. We people are very familiar with the trains. Are you people know the trains? Maitreyan, Alana? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Applications of pressure. So now, the brothers called to Darun and Maunis is also not there in meeting. What is happening? We need to beg them every day. Aswita and Manya and Samya also. So now you can see. So all of you observe very carefully. How many of you know train? Everybody? Rail tracks.
Yes, sir.
Railway tracks. Yes or no? That is what the first application. So now, if you go to the railway tracks, if you notice it, so always between the, let me imagine this is what the train track. Now, bottom, have you noticed it? They used to keep some kind of a concrete blocks or wooden blocks. Have you noticed it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Concrete blocks or wooden blocks. They used to arrange like this. Have you seen? Elmukil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tamil Selvan also is not there in meeting, I think. Tamil Selvan, are you there in meeting? So now, this is what we can see. If you observe, railway tracks are laid on wider wooden or cement or iron sleepers. Why they are arranging this one? That is what the first importance. So please, all of you write. First application. Railway tracks are laid. Railway tracks are laid on wider wooden, or we can say what? Cemented, that is only concrete, cemented or iron. Railway stations alone, we can see in the iron. Yes or no? Elmukil? Iron sleepers we can
Yes,
see.
sir.
We'll go somewhere, junctions and all, we can see wooden sleepers. And normal places and all, track time, cement sleepers we can see. They are called as sleepers. What we should call? Sleepers. Understand? So now, what is the use of this? Can anybody say? What is the use of this?
Sorry, increase the surface area, sir.
Yes, increasing surface area. Very good. Usually train having very huge amount of mass. Is it yes, guys? Will you accept it, Sai? Train is having huge amount of mass. Yes or no? So that what is happening when there is no increasing? So how to reduce the force? How to reduce the force, guys? By increasing the reduce the pressure. How to reduce the pressure? Only one way. So by increasing the area. So with the help of these wider wooden or cemented or iron sleepers, they are increasing the surface area so that it will prevent the sinking of railway tracks into the ground. Are you understand, everybody? Sinking of railway tracks into the ground. If not, what will happen? Whenever train will pass, these tracks will sink into the ground. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is. So that is what you have to understand. So that is the first application. Any doubt, anybody? Now, the second one in our daily life. Now, is it your mother is using needle, safety pins and all? We people also will use safety pins, etc., etc. Correct or not? Now,
Yes, sir.
is it the tip of the safety pin is very sharp or very blunted? Tip of a safety
Sharp, sir.
Very sharp.
Sharp, sir.
tip of a needle, if you'll observe, needle is made very sharp. Why they are making very sharp here? Adarsan, can you say? Sai, anybody? So tip of a needle is made with a very sharp. Why, guys? So if you'll observe a tip of a needle, so backside we are having a small hole to pass the thread. Is it yes, guys? Yes or no? So now,
Yes, sir.
one corner very sharp it will be there. So now why they are keeping this sharpness? That is what I want. So this is what the need imagine. So why they are keeping this sharp edge? Because
To pass through, sir.
yes, to stitch easily. Is it yes or no? So now
Yes, sir.
suppose you can take blended one. So if you take blended safety pin, is it possible to stitch to our cloth or else wear in our cloth? Is it yes or no? Difficult. Very good. Correct or not? Please
Yes, sir.
respond me. So if you will
Yes,
take very sharp edge, what will happen? It will drive easily into the surface. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So drives easily into the surface, whatever the surface it will take. For example, doctor only. If you'll go to the hospital, some kind of injuries and all, he will stitch with the needle only. Have you noticed it? Stitchings we can say.
Sir.
Yes. Suppose if it is a blended needle, what will happen? Is it possible to make proper stitching?
No, sir.
No. Is it yes or no? That is what I will say always. So always the tip of a needle is made sharp because to drives easily into the surface. Easily into the what?
Surface.
Surface. That is what you have to understand. Clear? That is what the second application. Now, third application, like this you tell me. Now, in your kitchen, do you have a knife? Kitchen, do you have a knife, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, you may be having an old knife in your home and you may be having a purchasing new knife in your home. Now, you can take a knife. It is easier to cut with a sharp knife than with a blunt knife. Why, guys? One is sharp knife, new knife. Understanding? Cut with a new knife, a sharp knife or new knife is easy than a blunt knife. Why, guys? Actually, we are using knife for what? Knife for what? Cutting something. Is it?
Cutting.
Yes. So now, is it easy to cut or very difficult to cut? If you are cutting something, tell me. It must be easy to cut or difficult to cut.
Easy to cut, sir.
Easy to cut. Yes or no? So that it will take, even I am having experience in my home. My home, I am using a very old knife. So it is very difficult to cut. It will take lot of pressure. I have to apply more pressure to cut the vegetables also. So easily it won't even cut. Pomegranate also, it is not cutting properly. That is what I am saying. So why it is happening? Because the knife become what? The knife become blunt in nature, means in the sense of if you take any kind of knife, so it is having a very sharp edge. Is it yes, guys? So definitely it is having a very sharp edge at the corner. So now this sharpness, what is happening? The sharpness, when we will keep on using, what will happen to the sharpness? The sharpness will become decreases so that the thickness will increases. Understand? The sharp edge will be keep on decreases while you are continuously hitting. Because while you are cutting, we will hit the metal surface or wood surface, some stone or etc. etc. Yes, sir? In our kitchen also.
Sir.
While you are cutting, always it won't cut only vegetable. If you press like that, it will go and will touch the down hard surface. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So like
Yes,
that,
sir.
continuously applying pressure, what will happen? Continuously it is hitting the hard surface, the sharp edge will be disappear. Understand? Means it will, because of friction, the sharp edge will become into blunt one. Means the thickness is little increases, area increases, so that it will difficult to cut with the blunt knife. So that is why you can see sharpening. Some persons will come with some kind of cycle-like structure. That persons, they will sharp the again blunted knives. Have you seen? Yes, knife.
sir.
Blunt.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes,
That-
sir.
so compared to the blunt knife, it is easy to cut any kind of vegetables or anything with a sharp knife, because sharp knife is having what? Less contact. Understanding? Less contact means in the sense of area of contact is less, so that pressure is more or less, guys. Pressure is more or less.
More.
Large pressure on the objects, so that with the less force itself, we people can cut the everything. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third one. Fourth one. Are you all students only, correct? Are you people are wearing the bags, school bags?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Adarshan,
Yes, sir.
Shruti, everyone. So now if you'll notice it here, school bags, if you'll see, is it your strips, your backside strips are, is it wider or very thin strips? School bag. Yes.
Wider, sir.
School bags, if you'll observe, definitely the school bags are provided with wider strips. Provided with wide straps. Understanding? So why they are providing wide straps? Why can't they keep like a thread like?
For decreasing the
That to
pressure.
reduce the pressure
Sir, reduce the pressure, sir.
So that is
exerted on our chest.
as we know, by broadening the Understand? So you can see even if you're boarding into the school or boarding to the school bus or if you're reaching to the school and all, we know it is loaded with a heavy load. Yes, sir. Now our school bags, we have to carry a lot of. Yes, sir. No, becomes very difficult to carry that bag because so many things will dump inside. So that now these strips are very wide. Then what will happen? By boarding these straps, the load of the school bag is distributed over a large area. So if area is large, then what will happen? The contact with the
decrease.
shoulders. If we take our shoulders, then the back wider range is contacting with our shoulder. Then what will happen, guys? Pressure decreases or increases? Pressure decreases or increases? Decreases. Understand?
Decreases.
It is the contacting area increases or decreases. Wider straps, more it will attach to our body, our shoulders, more it will touch. So that what will happen? More it will touch. So that what will happen, guys? So less pressure is exerting on our body, so that we will feel comfort to walk. If not, what will happen? We people will feel very difficult to walk if it is having very thin strips. That is why always our school bags, they will give you what, guys? School bags, they will give you wider strips. Is it okay? Tamil Selvan?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
What you have to understand. So now let us go with the next one. This is what school bags are provided with the wider straps. So next one is camels. So as we know, camel, as I said yesterday also, if I'll keep a running race for you and camel in the desert, so who can run fast?
Camel.
Camel. Because a camel, if
White foot.
it is a desert animal, so camel can walk, okay, easily on sand as compared to human beings. So why it is, Sai? Because if you'll observe, camel is having what? Camel is having
Broad foot.
a wider understanding, compared to the humans not, even though humans mass is less compared to the camel, but still camel can handle and it can easily move on the sand, but we people cannot move easily because the feet of the camel do not sink and it can run easily on the sand only because of why? Because the feet of human being sink into the sand and unable to walk easily. So why, guys? Compared to the camel's feet, it is our human feet is larger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller, sir.
So the camel's feet is larger as compared to the human feet. So the pressure exerted by a camel on the sand is what? Small or more compared to us?
Small, sir.
Understanding.
Small,
So
sir.
pressure exerted by a camel on the sand is less than the human beings, so that camel can walk easier than the humans on the sand. That is what the fifth application. Any doubt?
Oh, sir.
No, sir.
Next one, a real life example. Now you can see while you are traveling on the road, so you may be see some kind of truck. Let me imagine some kind of truck. Have you noticed it? Some wheels are lifted up. Some wheels are lifted up if it is empty.
Yes, sir.
This one. Yes. If it is empty truck, some wheels are lifted. Understand? If it is loaded truck, that wheels also will be getting down to the ground. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
This is the thing you will be asking. So many times while you are traveling on the road, some empty lorries is going. The wheels are lifted up. Only for few wheels are touching the ground. Remaining wheels they will lift up. Have you noticed it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why they are? By the time why they are lifting, and when it is loaded, why they are getting the way they are making the wheels to touch the ground? All.
Sir, when empty, low pressure only applied so that
Yes,
wheels
so
don't
that
leak, sir.
low pressure will be there. So because the pressure means the force exerting is less, so that less wheels is sufficient. But if it is loaded, then what will happen, guys? If it is loaded, then what is happening? It will be attached with the more number of wheels. So why if it is loaded, more number of wheels are touching, more wheels are touching the ground, more wheels are contacting ground, because Please
More
respond.
pressure exerts.
Contact ground, because by the time more weight, more pressure is acting on the lorry or truck, so that what is happening? To balance it, what will happen? They will increase the surface area. What they will do? They will increase the surface area. Now, you may be notice it. For example, Maruti Alto car. Have you seen very small wheels will be there? Have you seen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Maruti Alto car having very small wheels. Yes or no? But if you take some kind of, for example, Adarshan car only you can take. Adarshan, what is your car? GBR. What is that car name?
MG, sir.
MG. So if you take tires, the wheel capacity is very big. Have you noticed it? A wheel is very wider. Yes or no, guys? Why it is very wider compared to this? Why can't they keep the same kind of wheels? Because
Sir, big car so that
yes,
more force
so
exerts.
big cars, so more force it will exert on the, more pressure it will exert on the ground, and that is why they are keeping wider wheels compared to this normal Alto car. So Alto car, for that mass, for that force, that wheels is sufficient to manage the pressure. But this one also, if will keep the same wheels, what will happen, guys? Then definitely they cannot resist, so that tires will burst or something will happen. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes you may be heard in news also, because of tires blasted, accidents happen. Truck collapsed, bus collapsed, bus hit an culverter or some kind of what we can say that on the road they will keep barricades and all. Tires are blasted. Have you heard it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what, when it is overloaded, then the pressure, if it is unable to balance it, then what will happen? It will be exert more pressure on the tires, so that tires will blast. Are you clear, everyone? So it will lead
Yes,
to even
sir.
dangerous, even accidents also. And somewhere you may be seeing, because of exerting high, overloaded more than the capacity. Have you seen some tires? Even our bicycle also, sometimes you may be noticing. Tires are coming extra outside. Some it will be like a swelling, it will come outside. Have you seen, guys? Anytime
Yes,
like that? Yes, that is in the sense of it is in a dangerous state. So at that time, we have to change the tires. If not, it will lead to definitely like what we can say, a blasting. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, that is. Now, you may be notice it. You ask your parents, maybe they might be following, you people may be not following. So while you are booking a ticket in a bus, let me imagine this is the bus. Very big bus, guys. Volvo bus. Okay, Sai? So now, ask your parents, they will never book a ticket very close to the wheels. Why, guys? Anyhow, first wheel, a driver and all, here the driver will be there. So here the back seat wheel, okay, front seat wheel also. So they will never book the tickets on these wheels. Only they will book the ticket on the middle area. So why it is happening? Can anybody say?
Sir, mostly to avoid accidents.
No.
Sir,
Sir,
when
pump
speed brakes
more.
and all will come, it will exert more force on the seat.
Yes, very good. So now you can see, particularly like, for example, Tamil Nadu government buses and these are local buses, and that what we can say, recent buses like light blue color buses. Yes, guys, green and blue color buses. Yes. So now, if you'll see, if you are sitting on the tire, what will happen means, observe, if suddenly something goes wrong and this tire blasted or punctured, then a huge amount of air will be inside. Is it yes, guys?
Sir.
Yes. Understanding. So that what will happen means, this air will exert huge amount of force. Understanding. Once at a time it will blast, in the sense of it will exert a pressure and upward direction. So the person who is sitting in this seat, understanding, it may lift that person also, and that person can hit into the roof. I understand, everybody? That person can hit into the roof. So it may leads to danger, very danger. So that is why it won't be happen most of the cases, but having a chances always. So that is why those who know that, nobody will book a ticket about we can see the bus structure while you are booking in the app itself. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
they will book alternatively based upon that only. That is the reason behind it. Is it understand, Devarshini? That is.
Yes,
So this is what the fifth one. So what is the fifth one? Sorry, sixth one. The tires of a truck are made wider than the tires of bicycle. So as I said, Alto car and GS car of that one. So what is that? The tires of vehicles based upon the capacity of the vehicle, the tire size is increases or decreases. The tires of a truck, suppose if we'll take tractor and JCB, the tires are more wider or less wider, Alana?
More wider, sir.
More
Huge,
wider.
sir.
Why? More wider. That is why have you noticed it? Even JCB can move in a wet areas also. Wetlands also it can move easily. Have you seen, observe guys?
Yes,
Tractors
sir.
also. Yeah, and some kind of vehicles like buses and all will stuck in the mud, soil or mud. They will call tractors only to pull it. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why they are
Yes,
calling
sir.
tractors only, Pradosh?
Sir,
Because
it
tractors
can
having
move in
what?
mud, sir.
Yeah, tractors having very big wheels, understanding, and JCB also very wider wheels, so that it cannot sink inside the soil and it can easily pull it because of heavy mass. Also, it can pull very easily. So that is why they will use always tractors and JCBs to pull the objects in the wetlands, because the tires of a trucks are made wider than the tires of other things. That is the reason. Understanding? The tires of a trucks are made wider to reduce the pressure or increase the pressure. Jayvarshini? To
Sir,
reduce the pressure. That is next one, seventh one. Now you can see. Have you seen how many of everybody we people are having home? Is it yes, guys? Yes. While you are maybe notice it, while you are constructing, suppose you are making pillars. Have you seen pillar when they are constructing down? They will make the pillar area is this much. Have you seen, guys? This is the P1,
Yes,
pillar
sir.
one. Yes, guys, then only the building will come up. Yes, respond, everybody. Have you
Yes,
seen
sir.
it? Yeah. So now, why they are making wider at the bottom? Can anybody say? Or else olden days houses, if you'll see. So let me imagine this is what the house. So if you imagine this is the house, then basement will be much wider than the building. Have you noticed it? Why they are making
sir.
it? Anybody?
Sir, if we didn't make it broader, means the house will go inside.
Yes, that is what. So always you can see the foundations of high rising buildings or dams also you can notice it. Have you visited any reservoirs or dams? In
Yes,
Tamil
sir.
Nadu? Yes. Have you
Yes, sir.
noticed that bottom, if you take the dam, so let me imagine this is the dam. Understanding? So this side, have you noticed it? Bottom surface, they will make much wider than the understanding top surface. So that if you keep on coming on understanding top, let me imagine this is the water flowing. So now you maybe notice it. This bottom is they will make much wider than the top. Is it yes or no? This is what we can say even dams. Is it yes, guys? So why they are
Yes, sir.
making a dams and bridges and all everything bottom base is very wider because prevent their sinking into the ground. So they will exert tall buildings and all dams and all. They will exert huge amount of force on the ground. Is it yes, guys? To
Yes, sir.
decrease that pressure, understanding, to decrease pressure, what we people are doing? We are increasing the wider understanding. Wider, what is that? Wider base we
Wider,
have to
sir.
make it. That is what you have to remember. Wider base we have to make it for decreasing pressure. This is what our seventh one. So please all of you write. Foundations of high-rise buildings or dams are made wider. That is what the seventh. Are you understand, everybody? Yes, Ruti, Adarshan, Tamil Selvan. That is okay. So now this is what the 7 applications I have taught, which we are having in our daily life. So now we will see some more applications and we will proceed. So this is all regarding. So like that, you can say so many applications. For example, real life. If you may be visited railway stations and bus stations. Railway stations, some person will come to pick up our luggage. Who is that, guys? Railway police. Correct, guys?
Coolie, sir.
Yeah, coolies, we are having a little bit importance of this pressure application. Have you seen where it is real life? Can you say? Mahalakshmi, Mavanish?
Sir, they will put the suitcase in landscape, sir.
Yes. Have you? No, suitcase not. Yeah, suitcase always they will keep in landscape, not in that portrait. That is not. One more thing. While they are carrying heavy loads, they will do something.
They will use
Alana,
cloth,
have you
sir.
seen?
They
There
will
are-
use cloth on head.
Yes. Have you seen? Is it they're carrying on the bold head or like a empty direct head, or they will keep middle one kind of a round cloth? Yes, it
The
is. It
cloth
is.
they will give.
Yes or no? So if you take the person, so let me imagine this is the person's head. So have you noticed it? Suppose if he is keeping a very big load, heavy load, even our villages also you can see the person who is coming to sell even our town also you can notice it. The person who is coming to sell the vegetables and all, down they will keep some kind of cloth which is made with a little wider and very thick cloth. Have you noticed it, guys? Yes. Now,
Yes,
so
sir.
let me take another person. So this is another person who kept the load directly on the head. Who kept the load directly on the head. So now, who can travel more distance and who can carry easily? Can you say?
That red color one.
Person who has
Yeah.
cloth
So
on
the red color person can move long distance even though he is having heavy load. Because have you understand? Area of contact is what here? Area of contact is what it is? Contact is more. Are you noticed it? Area of contact is more. So that pressure is less or more, guys?
Less.
Pressure is?
less.
Pressure is less. That is what you have to understand. But here, area of contact is what? Area of contact, understanding, is more.
less.
Yes. So that pressure is what? Pressure is more. Monish is saying opposite everything. Understand? Monish, pressure area decreases, pressure increases, Monish. And area increases, pressure decreases. Clear, Adarshan?
Okay, sir.
That is. Yes. So please all of you note it down. These are the applications of what, guys? Everything regarding what it is. All the pressure
Applications.
applications. So total 8 applications I have taught you. So now, if you understand this, then next we are going to study. So we have 5 minutes meeting in this. So please write the definitions alone. So later we will go for derivation. Derivation is most important. Shruti, are you there in meeting? Right now, pressure in fluids. So the pressure exerted by solids we used to call it as what, guys? Solid pressure. Understand? So now, pressure exerted by fluids we used to call it as what? Fluid pressure. So pressure in fluids. 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 So now, very simple, guys. First of all, you should know FLUIDS. So fluids, if you'll observe. So what do you mean by fluids? Can anybody say?
Which can flow, they are called fluid.
So the substances which can flow easily. What is that? The substances which can flow easily. The substances which can flow easily is called as, we can say, fluids. Now you can tell me. I will keep 1 kg sugar, 1 liter water, and 1 liter of gas. So which can flow and which does not flow?
Sugar does not flow, sir.
Sugar does not flow because if you keep here, it will be here only. But water, it will move some distance, and gas also will
Gas
move.
also
Will
some
move
distance.
larger distance. So the substances which can flow easily is only called as what, guys? Fluids.
Fluids.
The examples of fluids are 2 types. What is that, Jayvarsni? One is liquids. Another one is what? Gas.
Yes.
Is it okay, guys?
Yes.
That is what you have to remember. So now, from the class 6, you people are studying. So as we know, solids are having definite shape. Is it yes or no? Solids having definite shape. They are having a particular shape. But liquids and gases are no definite shape. Is it yes or no? No definite
Sir.
shape. Now, as we know, in liquids, always the particles, solids particles are what? Tightly packed. Is it yes or Monish? Maitreya, they are tightly packed, but in liquids, loosely packed, and gases more loosely
Very
packed.
loosely.
Now, always gases we have to keep in what? Open containers or closed containers? Always we have to keep it in
Closed, sir.
closed
Closed
container.
container.
Alana, are you understanding? Please respond in chat at least. It always we have to keep it in a closed container. And liquids we can keep it even open containers also. But some liquids we have to keep it in the closed containers because they will evaporate fastly. Is it yes, guys?
Sir.
Yes, that is Shruti, you also not all responding. So now you can see. So we'll take any kind of liquid. Let me imagine it is any kind of liquid. So the particles will move within the boundary. Understanding means the bottom particle will move up particle will come down. So side particles will like this. Always particles will be in random motion within a boundary or inside outside the boundary. Random
Within the boundary.
inside the boundary. Understand? Inside the boundary. Understanding, guys? Means within the boundary, all the particles will be always in the random motion. Okay. Now, if we take the gas. So gas, what guys? For example, Yelamukil will make hole here. All the particles will rush into this hole. Is it yes or no? If Pradosh will make hole here, all the particles will rush into here. If Maitreyan will make hole, all the particles will rush into here. If suppose Darun will open this lid, all the particles will escape through this. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So because in gases, particles having more spaces between them. And remember, particles always wants to escape from the container so that always they will exert the pressure on the walls of the container. Where it will exert? Gases. Gases where they will exert? Always they will exert only on
Walls of the container.
only walls of containers. So wherever we can give leakage, we can keep hole. Through that hole, all the gas particles is try to escape. Is it yes, guys? Because they're having more understanding spaces between them. These spaces only we can say intermolecular spaces. What we should call? Intermolecular
Molecular.
spaces. This is chemistry. I should not say, but I'm saying intermolecular spaces. Okay, guys. Now, as I said, in liquids, what will happen? Liquids pressure is exerted in all the directions. Means all the directions pressure is exerted. So pressure exerting it within the liquid and as well as walls of the boundary. Both the pressure is exerting. Is it okay, Mukil? Because if suppose I will make a hole here, then water will start coming from this. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what you have to remember.